Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, friends. I'm David, and today's episode is delicious. Literally.
That's right. We're going to talk about food, something we all love, right?
Definitely. Food connects people, brings comfort, and sometimes makes us late for work.
So true. But hey, before we begin, take a second to like this video, subscribe, and comment below. Tell us, what's your favorite food?
Okay, Emily, let's start simple. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Breakfast, my favorite meal of the day. I usually have toast with butter and a cup of hot coffee.
Classic. I love that smell in the morning. Coffee and warm bread. It feels like peace before the day begins.
Yes, that smell can change your mood. What about you, David?
I usually eat rice and eggs. Sometimes I make an omelet with vegetables. Easy, fast, and cheap.
Nice. You know, I usually eat is a great phrase for daily habits. So everyone listening, try saying it after us. I usually eat and finish the sentence.
Exactly. What do you usually eat for breakfast? For example, I usually eat bread and eggs. Or, I usually drink milk. Simple, natural English.
You know, when I was a student, I skipped breakfast almost every day
Oh no, why?
because I was always late for class.
That's still better than nothing. You can say, I grab a banana on my way to school.
Good phrase. To grab something on the way means to eat quickly when you're in a hurry.
Now let's talk about something everyone loves, eating out.
Ah, yes, restaurants. I love the feeling when you open the menu and think, so many choices.
Me too, but sometimes ordering can be stressful in English, right?
Totally. You sit there thinking, how do I say this politely?
Exactly. So let's practice. When you want to order, you can say, I'd like a salad, please. Or, can I have a cheeseburger, please?
Perfect. And if you're not sure what to choose, you can ask, what do you recommend? That sounds friendly and polite.
Let's pretend we're in a restaurant. You be the waitress, I'll be the hungry customer.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a bowl of soup and some fried rice, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of iced tea, please.
Thank you. Your food will be ready in 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'm so hungry already.
See? That's how easy it can be. Just a few polite phrases, and you can order anywhere in English.
Exactly. You'd like sounds softer and more polite than do you want. Great for restaurants or formal situations.
So everyone repeat after us. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. What do you recommend?
Nice job.
Cooking. My happy place. Do you like cooking, David?
I do, especially when it rains outside. I turn on some music and cook noodles with vegetables.
That sounds cozy. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. It's easy, colorful, and smells amazing. But I always make a mess.
You can say, I made a mess. It means the kitchen is untidy.
Right. And if you like cooking, you can say, I love cooking. I enjoy making food at home.
Exactly. Or, I often cook dinner for my family. What's your favorite ingredient, David?
Garlic. Always garlic.
Same here. Garlic and butter are magic.
You know, cooking is also a great way to practice English. Read recipes or watch English cooking videos.
Yes. You'll learn words like boil, fry, chop, and mix.
Okay, be honest. Healthy food or junk food?
Hmm. I try to eat healthy most days.
Same here. But sometimes a big burger just calls my name.
That's fine. It's all about balance. I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I eat junk food.
Let's teach a few useful words. Healthy food is good for your body. Vegetables, fruits, fish.
Junk food is tasty, but not healthy. Fries, chips, soda.
You can say, I prefer healthy food, or I eat junk food sometimes.
And remember, progress, not perfection. Small changes make big results.
That's true for English too. One word, one meal, one step at a time.
Let's talk about cravings, when you suddenly really want to eat something.
Like when I crave chocolate late at night.
Me too. You can say, I'm craving chocolate, or I have a sweet tooth. That means you love sweet food.
Exactly. And if you like spicy food, you can say, I love spicy dishes. This curry has a real kick.
Food isn't just about eating, it's about stories, like the soup your mom made when you were sick, or street food after school.
Yes, you can say, this dish reminds me of my childhood, or this brings back memories.
When I first ate in Japan, I didn't know how to use chopsticks. I dropped my food twice.
But people were kind, right?
Yes, they said, it's okay. It made me feel comfortable.
See, people don't expect perfect English. They appreciate effort and kindness.
Let's learn some food idioms. Piece of cake, something easy. This lesson is a piece of cake. Spill the beans. Tell a secret. Come on, spill the beans. Bread and butter, your main job or income. Teaching is my bread and butter.
Nice. And a few adjectives for food. Delicious, tasty, flavorful, crunchy, crispy.
You know, food always tastes better when we share it.
Absolutely. It's not what's on the table that matters, but who's sitting around it.
That's beautiful. You can say good food and good friends make the best memories.
Let's teach a few warm expressions. Help yourself, take food freely, dig in, start eating, make yourself at home, feel relaxed like family.
See? Every meal can be a small English conversation. Can you pass the salt? This is delicious. Do you want some more?
Exactly. Language lives in small, real moments, not just in textbooks.
Let's review together.
I usually eat toast for breakfast. I'd like a bowl of soup, please. I enjoy cooking at home. I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I eat junk food. I'm craving chocolate. This dish reminds me of my childhood.
Perfect. Remember, learning English is like cooking. It takes time, but every try makes it better.
Yes, one word, one meal, one smile at a time. Keep feeding your English with small daily practice.
Here's your challenge, friends. Tonight, take a picture of your dinner and write one English sentence about it. For example, this soup is delicious, or I cooked this myself.
Post it in the comments. We'll read some in the next episode.
You're a part of our learning family now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And remember, even if you learn just one phrase today, you're already improving.
Beautiful English grows where effort lives.
And hearts grow where gratitude begins.
Thank you for listening, friends. This was Mr. English Podcast. Until next time, eat well, smile often, and speak bravely.